Hey, Roman here. In this video I will give a short glimpse on how I painted my converted Grey Knight force for Warhammer 40k. Enjoy! I cannot tell you how much I'm looking forward to play a game of Warhammer 40k with my army of Grey Knights. You might have seen the conversion work that was done with my Terminators, where I used the new regular Space Marine Terminator bodies and combined them with the regular Grey Knight bits. If not, find the link below. I bet you will enjoy these videos. I did some conversion work to the regular Grey Knight Marines too and created dynamic assault primaris, you can say. I also enjoyed converting my Inquisitor, Retween and my Grey Knight Champion. These videos are also available, linked below. I'm very happy that you enjoy my video content. Thank you for pressing thumbs up and subscribing to the channel. Your presence and interaction is very much appreciated as you help this channel to grow. Arigato. Important information. Many of you ask me how to support me and not everyone is fond of Patreon. There is now the option to directly support me via my YouTube channel for €1.99 a month. I cannot offer much for it except what I'm already doing and I focus on supporter comments. Plus, beautiful color stickers beside your name. Thank you for your support. The painting process. Usually when I start such a project, I get myself into the position to train my workflow on at least one miniature, my test model. The goal here was to spend not more than 4 hours on this Grey Knight. I was happy with it and decided to reduce the time a bit more for the coming ones. I was able to pull these Terminators off in 2 to 3 hours of painting time each, and I'm quite happy with the outcome and their looks for gaming. Many asked me to see a video on my painting process of my Grey Knights, yet I decided against it. Still, you will see some process in this video, but without much further explanations. I did not want to press the information I gathered in the last year while I was painting parts of my force into a video. Also, I'm not the best in painting under the camera for a long time, and I wanted to focus on the painting, not handling the filming while painting. I'm sure you will understand. What I did instead is, I wrote an ebook, a workbook you can say, on my Grey Knight army and tackled many important aspects in it. I believe that reading lessons are important and differently consumed than a quick video fast forward. You can get this ebook via my Etsy shop, link below, or via Patreon as a tier patron for free during August and September 2024. Just music and some painting progress impressions. Together with the ebook, this gives a great insight and inspiration to gather your Grey Knight force.
I'm on my flex, yeah, I'm feeling blessed. Counting cash, stacking checks, ain't no stress. I'm on my flex, yeah, I'm in my zone. Boss move only, watch me hold the throne. I'm on my flex, flex, yeah, I'm feeling blessed. Counting cash, stacking checks, ain't no stress. I'm on my flex, yeah, I'm in my zone, in my zone, in my zone, in my zone. I'm on my flex, yeah, I'm flex, yeah, I'm on my flex. Cash, cash. I'm on my flex, yeah. Yeah, I'm in my zone. Yeah, I'm in my zone, in my zone. I'm on my flex, yeah, I'm feeling blessed. Counting cash, stacking checks, ain't no stress. I'm on my flex, yeah, I'm in my zone, in my zone. Boss move only, watch me hold the throne. I'm on my flex, yeah, I'm feeling blessed. Counting cash, stacking checks, ain't no stress. I'm on my flex, yeah, I'm in my zone, in my zone, in my zone, in my zone. I'm on my flex, yeah, I'm flex, yeah. I'm on my flex. Cash, cash. I'm on my flex, yeah. I'm on my flex. I'm on my flex, yeah. I'm on my flex, yeah. I'm on my flex, yeah. I'm on my flex.
They will look so epic on our epic ultra detailed gaming board. That of course is still work in progress for the next several years. Find a link below too. Thank you for enjoying the content I create. Arigato for your comments, thumbs up and likes. These are really very much appreciated. With your interaction, you help the channel to grow. Many thanks to everyone who supports me via my Patreon. Your support is crucial in everything I do. Arigato. Roman out. Keep on happy painting. Bye bye.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up!
Okay. I enjoyed converting my Inquisitor Retuin, and enjoyed converting my Inquisitor retinue, and enjoyed